in the poem, the last two lines, and his dark secret love. Why does the poet use the term dark and secret? These two terms are negative terms, that is dark. So, Blake here uses the term dark and secret to justify, to express, to tell the rose that the lover, that the worm, that is the worm, that appears to be a lover, that appears to be a good people, that appears to be a friend, is never a friend, rather an evil force, rather than cruel people, rather a violent people, a devil. So his love is not genuine, not clear, not white, not honest. Rather, his love is dark. That is gopon. That is conspiracy, and secret. That is conspiracy. A dark, that is deceit. Protarona. Blake is here uses that. Blake is here tries to say that. Oh Rose, you are sick. Why don't you see? কেন তুমি দেখতে পাও না যে the love you are accepting, the love of the worm, the love of the wrong people, the love of the ill people, evil people, you are appreciating, you are giving him to enter in your life, to take rest in your petals. রোজ বলছে, কবি রোজকে যেন ওয়ার্নিং করছে সেই ইনোসেন্ট পিপলকে, গুড পিপলকে, ইনোসেন্ট ওম্যানকে, বিউটিফুল ওম্যানকে, যে তুমি যাকে ইনোসেন্ট লাভার বলে তুমি যাকে অ্যাকসেপ্ট করছো, হি ইজ রাদার দ্য ক্রুয়েল ডিসিটফুল পারসন। সে তোমাকে ধ্বংস করতে চায়, হত্যা করতে চায়, তোমাকে ডিস্ট্রয় করতে চায়। সো হিয়ার দ্য পোয়েট deliberately uses the term dark and secret. That is, it's a conspiracy on part of the cruel people, on part of the evil people, on part of the experienced people, to show love in the face, to show love on the face, to show love in their words, but in their inner self, their purpose is to kill the rose, is to destroy the rose, is to devour the rose. So here they are using the trick of deceit, the worm using a deceitful trick to show love on the face, but to kill or destroy the rose. In reality, does thy life destroy? So this sort of love, the rose, you should not accept. You should get aware of from this sort of love. Here, Blake probably had in his mind the reference of the first man and woman. Who are the first man and woman created by God? Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve. Who are they? The first human being made by God Himself. Adam and Eve, how were they? They were the epitome of innocence, purity. তারা ছিল ইনোসেন্সের, সততার, পিউরিটির যেন প্রতীক, এপিটম। They are the epitome of innocence, Adam and Eve, like the rose. The rose is also represented. And worm was Satan. And what Satan did, you all know. Satan entered in the Garden of Paradise. Garden of Paradise. Satan entered in the garden of paradise in guise of কিসের ছদ্মবেশে? In guise of serpent, but in guise of a friend. In Satan entered in guise of a friend in the garden of paradise, where Adam and Eve are stayed happily, playfully, and they were playing in the garden of paradise. But Satan could not tolerate this. He entered in the garden of paradise in the guise of a friend, a true friend, and deceived them, deceived Eve first. Eve-কে deceive করেছিল এবং they were fallen. They had been fallen from the garden of paradise. We all know what happened to Adam and Eve. So here also, the rose symbolizes innocence, purity, love, and worm symbolizes Satan, evil, destructive force that flies in the night, in the howling storm. He has made the innocent people, the beautiful woman, his target to show love on the face, but to destroy it intentionally, purposely, in later times. So, the poem is, once again I am reading the poem. O rose, thou art sick, the invisible worm that flies in the night, in the howling storm, has found out thy bed of crimson joy, and his dark secret love does thy life destroy. I think probably you will all have understood the poem. If there is any difficulty, please reply me and read the poem many times. Try to understand the inner meaning. If there is any difficulty, reply me. In our next class, we will discuss the grammatical questions sections. We will discuss the questions from this poem, and we will ask your understanding, how you have understood the poem, ask your feedback, and also we will discuss what sort of poem, what sort of questions come from this poem, and the grammatical details also. So, and I am also sending a PDF file discussing the detail of the poem. You will reply me in my next class, and also we will discuss all the topics from this poem. Okay, then for today we stop here.